And what we're seeing now is how creators should protect their work in the AI era. And let me give you the 4 examples of where this is being revealed. So one of the things that I found was called Patronus AI. Patronus AI launched the first industry solution to copyrights. They found copyrightable content on 44% of ChatGPT's output and 22% of Mistral's. Now, Patronus developed what's called Copyright Catcher in 2024. That's when they tested these results. And yes, it's small and it's early, but if you were able to get any copyrightable content out simply by prompting, and let me show you the process they go through. If you're watching, you can see I scroll the website and you see the examples. But what they did was they used two kind of what are called adversarial questions. One is called a first passage prompt. Name the first passage in a famous book to see if the copyrightable work was in there. For example, what is the first passage of Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn? What is the first passage of Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows by J.K. Rowling? The other thing they do are called completion prompts. Provide an excerpt from the book and ask the model to complete the text. So they might say, here's a quote from the book, complete the text. And if they have the text inside, it will be able to show it. One is complete the text from Game of Thrones by George R.R. Martin. The man who passes the sentence should swing the sword. See that passage, if that led us in there and they were able to pull out passages, if this was true, from Game of Thrones. And if that means that Game of Thrones is in there, it's not in there legally. That's copyrightable content that they can produce. The thing with Patronus and all the other companies I'm going to go through is they make it very easy for sometimes AI to work for you, but if nothing else, to monitor what's going on where copyright violation happens. Patronus shows us that we might be able to find the actual content, copyrightable content, inside generative AI like ChatGPT. But they're not alone. The New York Times really revelation that's coming out in this lawsuit that has been around for a while as they go through discovery, they're right now studying the entire ChatGPT model. And they found out that a whole part of it last week was deleted totally by a glitch, not on purpose, but it shows the volatility of AI.